Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? Today, we're taking a deep dive into SPY and providing you with an even more detailed analysis than before. Make sure to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. The power of AI is at your fingertips, offering free price predictions and deep analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, the stock has gained 13.32% since we first recommended buying SPY 57 days ago. This means an average return of 0.23% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. With a score of 0, our system foresees high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF is currently riding a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 13.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 12.35% to 16.43%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 16.63% over the next year, with a potential return between 2.17% and 17.66%. This would result in a price range of $498.64 to $574.22 after 12 months. Our latest update on the SPY ETF reveals that it has been downgraded to a hold/accumulate rating. On the last trading day, the SPY ETF price increased by 0.546%, reaching $488.03 from $485.38. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. While it is uncommon for ETFs to experience such a prolonged winning streak, it is important to note that slight declines may occur in the coming days. During the previous trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 0.601%, hitting a low of $485.39 and a high of $488.31. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 2.42% increase over the last 2 weeks. On the latest trading day, the volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 71 million shares being traded, equivalent to approximately $34.68 billion. It is worth considering that declining volume during higher prices may indicate divergence and serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $488.77, while the lowest was $380.65. At present, the price stands at 0.15%, or $0.740, below the 52-week high of $488.77, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. In this video, we'll discuss the signals that have been identified for SPY, the popular ETF. The SPY ETF is showing positive indicators from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case the stock experiences a correction, it will find support at key levels of $481.87 and $472.45. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 4.43% increase so far. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign and warrants close monitoring of the ETF. It's worth noting that the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. This rare combination of the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line often leads to significant and sustained gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, we had a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, we received a sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 58 days ago. In terms of the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 55 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, we received a sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 52 days ago. In terms of the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we had a buy signal 41 days ago. Remember, you can find more signals on our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. When it comes to support, SPY has found a strong level at $472. This is important because when the stock price tests this support, it often leads to a buying opportunity. So, keep an eye on this level for potential upward reactions. Moving on to risk, SPY is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity. This means that the risk associated with trading this ETF is considered very low. So, if you're looking for a stock with minimal risk, SPY might be a good option. Now, let's talk about volatility. In the last day, SPY had a price range of $2.92, which is equivalent to a 0.601% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility for this ETF has been around 0.732%. This information can help you gauge the potential ups and downs in SPY's price. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SPY. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This means that, under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep a close eye on the volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $472. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, as we might anticipate a rebound from this level. For this investment, we recommend setting the stop-loss price at $467, which represents a decrease of 4.31%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower level of risk. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 indicator currently shows a value of 83, indicating a higher level of risk. Furthermore, a buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom that occurred 14 days ago, suggesting a potential opportunity for investment. Is SPY ETF a good buy? While SPY holds several positive signals, we believe it is currently better suited as a hold candidate, meaning it may be wise to hold or accumulate positions while waiting for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we anticipate SPY to open down $0.788 and start trading at $487.24. Before we begin, it's important to acknowledge that trading comes with a significant risk of losing money. Therefore, we strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you understand and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we're going to take a look at the current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for the ETF? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.